Hi there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I have got this cute little project to show you. It's a Ferrero Rocher sunflower and it holds up and everything. These I made for team training this weekend, just gone. So my team will now have had them. So these are part of the table gift that I'm doing for them because I like when they're coming to any form of team training, I like to have a little gift for them. And this is quite a large event, so I've got quite a lot to make. So I thought I would stop making them and show you how they're done. They are using the Daisy Punch, which is in the annual catalogue. And I know I've said this before, but you know, we do still have an annual catalogue. So I've punched out using Mango Melody and Pumpkin Pie. For each of them, I need 4 daisies, 2 in each of the colours. And all I'm doing, and there is, you know, logic behind some of what I'm doing and not amongst others. So all I've done is I have taken one of each and stuck them together so that they make what I would call a classic daisy, so that the petals fill the gap, and do the same again. And it doesn't make any difference which way up you do them. Now you could do 2 of the same colour together. You could do 4 different colours. They don't have to be sunflowers, obviously, but as my team are the sparkling sunflowers, sunflowers are the order of the day. So having done 2, you then stick those together so that they then fill even more gap. And it's really just to build up that look of sunflowers that have lots of petals that all kind of intermingle. Actually, those are probably not intermingled enough. So I'm just adding more liquid glue as I go. Just want to turn these a little bit while that glue's still damp. That's a bit better. Soft suede, 1-inch circle, and this is actually the back, and then a soft suede 1-inch circle with a tiny piece of tear and tape which has been well burnished down, and then just add some liquid adhesive and again pop that in the middle. And it's meant to be easier to get your tear and tape paper off if you've burnished your tear and tape down, which I have done, obviously not well enough. And then Ferrero Rocher are stuck into their little cup, so really easy to then stick that to your flower. So I just thought those were really cute, and I thought Ferrero Rocher are a really nice piece of chocolate. I don't eat chocolate, but you know, for other people who do, for normal people who do, I just thought it was a nice little centre for a sunflower, and then when they take the Ferrero Rocher out, there'll still be the cup to be the centre of the sunflower. So there you are. These are going to be on the team training table. These ones I have just bent the petals up a wee bit. I can't decide whether I like them more or less. I know from a construction point of view they take a little longer, so as I got quite a few more to do, I think we're going to be going flat. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Just a bit of fun for the beginning part of the week. If you did enjoy it, do give it a thumbs up. I would love to see your version of this, maybe using different candy, different colours. If you would like to share those with me, you can always join up to my Old Stables Crafty Hangout, which is my community Facebook group. Any crafter is welcome, whether you're a demonstrator, whether you're not a demonstrator. It's just a friendly bunch of people who share their crafty projects. And it can be knitting or sewing or woodwork or candle making or whatever you would like. It doesn't have to be card making, and it doesn't have to be stamping up. So if you would like to join my community group, there is a link in the description bar below. Otherwise, you can find it by going to my Facebook business page, which is the Old Stables Craft business page, which again is linked below. If you would like to see more of my videos, please do hit the subscribe button, which is about there. Hopefully it's still there. I'm hoping to get 6,000 subscribers by the end of Celebration, so any help you can give me in that would be lovely. When you order anything from me, please use the host code, because that means you get to share in the host rewards, and it also means if your order is £30 or a multiple thereof, you get sunflower rewards, and sunflower rewards can be exchanged for product. When you've got 10 of them, you can exchange them for up to £30 off product. Thank you very much indeed for joining me again today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!